Hi, this is Allison Sheridan, and welcome to another edition of Screencasts Online. Blogging has been around for a very long time, and web interfaces for doing blogging are getting better, but they're really not ideal. We're going to look at the very highly requested MarsEdit from Red Sweater Software. You might not have a website today, but many people are realizing that owning their own content instead of giving it away to social media platforms might be the way to go. We're going to start with the basics of connecting a blog to MarsEdit and do a few simple posts, and then we'll get into the real power that MarsEdit brings to blogging. MarsEdit works with content management systems, WordPress, Blogger, Tumblr, Typepad, Movable Type, and more. You can get a free WordPress.com account, and some of the other services have that as well, and you can try your own hand out at blogging. I'm going to be using WordPress for the tutorial, as 60% of websites that use a content management system use WordPress. I've done a local install of WordPress so that we can very rapidly see the effects of any changes in settings we make in MarsEdit. MarsEdit is available from Red Sweater Software at red-sweater.com. You can see it here along with some of the other applications that they have. Let me tap on MarsEdit. From here, you can get a free download or you can buy a license. Let me pop this down. You can also get MarsEdit 4 from the Mac App Store. If we scroll down here, we can get to the in-app purchases. You can see that a full license is $49.99, just like it was over on the website, but they do also have a free trial, a 14-day free trial through the Mac App Store. If you're an owner of MarsEdit 3, you can get it for $24.99. I've already got MarsEdit downloaded and installed on this computer, so let's go take a look.
That's just a quick preview of one of this week's Apple-related tutorials from Screencasts Online. Screencasts Online is your premium source of Apple-related video tutorials. All of our members get access to brand new, up-to-date tutorials each week, as well as unlimited access to our entire video archive full of Mac and iOS-related tutorials. You can stream and download all of our videos on your Mac, iPad and iPhone, and even your Apple TV using the members-only Screencasts Online Apple TV app. Membership also includes a complimentary subscription to the digital Screencasts Online monthly magazine, published each month and packed with videos, articles, reviews, as well as hints and tips covering all aspects of the Mac, iPad, iPhone, and all of the other fantastic Apple products. So, if you're ready to start getting the most out of your Apple devices, visit screencastsonline.com today and become a Screencasts Online member.